feel a bit guilty for having caught a bit too little of them today. They are the hosts of this unit towers. I believe what we have in front of us will be one of the other big challenges of the day. They have already completed 5x7. I believe that was the first one for the year because they celebrated it a lot. Here we have Madre Setam Lagulia. We see how the pillar in the middle, Lagulia, is being built at the same time as the children are taking their positions at the top of the Human Tower. We have quite experienced top children here. Not much doubting there. Last coronation, the Human Tower. We could say that it's crowned, but officially it's not. When you make a Human Tower with a needle in the middle, with a pillar in the middle, the pillar has to be crowned for the Human Tower to crown. I don't think we will have any problems at all with this here today because this Padre Setam Lagulia by Niños de Lagos has been very stable so far, fast and stable. I believe that the pillar supports itself there. Does it? Yes it does, yes it does. So we have our Padre Setam Lagulia. It's crowned. See that this is yet another celebration for the minions. And from here on they will not have any difficulties. We're having a really good day of Human Towers here in Narvos today.